So guys, welcome back to the channel. Ronnie was just Ronnie was just stuck in a tree. So today I'm following Sam and Ronnie from Ebike Part Shop. We're off to meet Jordan from Orange Juice Customs and his brother-in-law for a sick ride, Sting R13. Nothing too crazy because it's been raining really heavily here in the UK this week, so it's going to be really boggy in the jump spots, but hopefully we'll get some sick trails done and get the drone up in the sky. I don't know if you saw my reel. I actually got a drone, DJI Mini 3 Pro, 4K 60 frames per second, so that should look really nice. And hopefully, yeah, get some sick little jumps going, so stay tuned. Some reels, so yeah. Let's get some reels in. How you doing today, bud?
It's a perfect opportunity for reels, apparently.
Perfect opportunity. Go on then. Yeah, straight down first left at the gate. It sounds kind of cool, the chain, I think. That was dangerous.
Right. 58 and a piston.
I smoked them both to a little jump spot. There's a few dips and troughs, so you can kind of fly out of them. They've not really done many jumps before, so good place to start. Get more comfortable. Number 3, number 4. Yeah, this is the sick trail. It's pretty fast. Go as quick as you can though. I'll wait for everyone here because that way, yeah? Do you like that one? Yeah. Easy, isn't it? But so this is a drag race.
Hands on 13.5.
JSH 72 55 amp hour, set to what power?
13.500.
13.5. EBMX 7242 and the EBMX X9000 on both of these, both set to 15 kilowatts. But that's a 19-inch wheel and that's a 16-inch wheel. So we'll see if that makes any difference. So it's got a different gear ratio to standard, more geared towards top end.
1, 2, 3.
I knew that would be the result. So it's not, one battery is better than the other with the EBMX because they were both neck and neck. So you might have seen him in my other videos. Sting R13. So talk us through your build.
So basically the graphics are a big part of it, but I just got handlebars, stem, ignition cap, brakes, handguards. Still got to do the wheels, got warp iron, little bracket and pegs. Obviously a bit muddy, but yeah, it's getting there. 72 volt, 42 amp hour, EBMX.
Yeah, nice build. Hope V4 brakes. Got all the warp mounting goodies on it. Nice boots as well, by the way. First time I've seen those. You happy with the boots?
Yeah, man, they're good. I mean, they're a bit firm at start, but you break them in, they're all good.
Yeah. It does look cool though, this bike. Can you get purple heat sinks for these?
I'm not too
The
sure.
EBMX heatsink.
Yeah, I do need new forks as well, to be fair. I've bought them out a couple of times.
Yeah, the forks. Forks.
Same with the rear shock. I need one of them as well.
Yeah. EXT for the shock.
Potentially.
Yeah. Jordan's running a similar build, but he's actually got the EXT Furrow forks. He hasn't properly set them up yet, he said, but they look to be doing pretty well. Been doing some jumps on them today just to get a guide. And he's also got the Warp 9 1916 wheel set with the bead lock and the floating rotors. So yeah, that's a nice build. And the track seat in black. Ronnie's bike's looking nice. We managed to do a little spacer mod, like I said earlier, on the GoPro. How's that holding up?
Yeah, good.
Better?
Yeah, it feels better.
Better. And he's got a new 19-inch rear with a Fortra tyre, because they're pretty chunky and knobbly now. It's getting a bit wet in the UK. What's your next upgrade, if you do any? What would you do first?
Front nose.
That's a good answer.
Front brake.
Front brake. Oh. Oh yeah, that is a bit. Oof. Jordan's having issues with his bike, so what we'll do is we'll get some POV wheelies. This is a bumpy field, but bumps are the perfect place to practice. So any obstacles, and you kind of know how to manipulate the bike to stay on it. I'll try and stand on the seat. The boys are at the top of the hill, so. Unfortunate series of events. Now riding back. Back up the trail we came down. Got to bear in mind that we've got a stock bike with us and some newer riders. What are you on?
76 volts.
And full is 84 on it?
76 is quite high.
Yeah, no, that's pretty much, yeah.
I'm on 71.
One bar out of 4.
That's good.
Only.
Yeah, so we just made it back. Sam's on 35%, Ronnie's is dead, but we did have to ride 10 miles before we even got to Ronnie. And he's been on mode 9 because they've been having drag races, so that kills the battery a lot. I just got to open up the KO app and then I'll check what this has. Yeah, so as you just saw, I've still got 49% charge left. So I got enough to get back, another 10 miles or so, but yeah, it was a great ride. Nice to see the other guys, and turns out that this is actually a faster bike than all the 15 kilowatt EBMX bikes. Just got back. His bike is on 0% basically, on when it's rolling through the throttle lag, so couldn't really get it much further down. But yeah, successful day riding, got a few hours in. Mode 9 on that does suck through the battery. Just got to get my bike put away and then we should be good to go and I'll start editing. But yeah, so if you made it this far, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please drop me a thumbs up, consider subscribing. We are growing pretty quickly now, and yeah, I appreciate everyone's support. So yeah, see you in the next one.